Hello everyone, welcome to MFX Library. From today we are going to start physics. As we have told you, we will cover the syllabus of maths and science of standard 8, 9 and 10 and also some part of GK for other competitive examination. So from today we will start physics of standard 8 and our first topic is force and pressure, and this is a humble request from you all to please support our channel, like, subscribe and share, and also tell us which topic do you want in next video in comment box. Okay, so let's start our first topic. In this chapter we have to cover many topics like what is force, what are causes of force are due to interaction, unit of force, effects of force, types of force, pressure and many more. So let's start. A push or pull on an object can change the motion of a body, direction of a moving body and the shape of a body. The word force is associated with some kind of movement or change in shape. Force is a cause which results in the movement or deformation of a body. Okay? Now see the causes of force. First one is the force can move a body which is originally at rest. Let's take an example. If there is a ball, now think, does it just start by itself, or we have to apply some force on it to make it move? The answer is very simple, that we have to apply some force to make it move. Then the force can stop a moving body. Like if we are riding a bicycle, then we have to apply brake to make it stop. Then force can make a moving body move faster. The force can slow down a moving body. The force can change the direction of a moving body. The force can change the shape of a body. We will see the example of these all in effects of force. Okay, now move to next topic, which is force are due to interaction. At least two objects must interact for a force to come into play. Let's take an example. Suppose a man is standing behind a stationary car. Now think, will the car just move by the presence of that man? The answer is so simple. No, we have to apply some force on the car to make it move. The man has to push or pull the car to make it move. What does it mean? It means two objects must interact for a force to come into play. Okay? Now move to the next topic, exploring force or resultant force or net force. If more than two forces are acting on an object, then the vector sum of the force is the resultant force. Now let's take an example. What if two persons are applying force on a box? Let's see. Suppose this boy is applying force of 3 Newton on the box and this boy is applying force of 5 Newton on the box. So what will be the total force here? Since these two boys are applying force in the same direction, so the vector sum will be the resultant force. So the net force is 3 Newton plus 5 Newton is equal to 8 Newton in this direction. Okay, so here this 8 Newton is the net force or resultant force. Now resultant force depends on direction. There are many conditions, so let's say our first condition. If two or more forces act in same direction, they add up to give a resultant force in the same direction. As we have seen in the previous example that two boys are applying force in the same direction on the box. here is the same condition that these two persons are applying force in same direction. This person is applying force in this direction with 10 Newton, and this one is applying force of 7 Newton. Since these two people are applying force in same direction, so here the vector sum will be the net force, which is equal to 17 Newton. And these both are applying the force in same direction, so the total force will be also in this direction. Okay, now the second condition. What if two people are applying force in opposite direction? If two forces act in opposite direction, the net force is equal to the difference of two forces in the direction of bigger force. Now see the example. Like this person is applying force in this direction, and the magnitude of force is 6 Newton, and this person is applying force in opposite direction with greater magnitude, which is 10 Newton. So what will be the net force here? The net force will be the difference in these two forces, which is 10 Newton minus 6 Newton is equal to 4 Newton, and this person is applying force of 10 Newton, so the direction will be here. Okay, now the third condition. If two forces acting on a body are of equal magnitude but are acting in opposite direction, the net force on a body is 0. Suppose these two persons are applying force in opposite direction, like this person is applying force in this direction and the other one is applying force in this direction, but both forces are of same magnitude. Like this person is applying force of 5 Newton and this person is applying force of 5 Newton. So what will the difference? The difference is 5 Newton minus 5 Newton, which is 0 Newton. So the net force is 0 Newton, hence there will be no change, and the net force is 0. Okay, we all have seen the game of tug of war, and what is the rule of this game? The team that applies larger force finally wins the game. So here also we can see the example of net force. Like this team is applying force of 10 Newton and this team is applying force in different direction, and the magnitude of force is 8 Newton. So the net change of the direction will be here. And what is the net force? The net force will be the difference, which is 10 Newton minus 8 Newton is equal to 2 Newton. Okay. Now we will see unit of force. The amount of force is its magnitude and is expressed in a unit called Newton, denoted by the symbol N. We have seen in previous examples that this person is applying force of 10 Newton, 7 Newton. So we have to show the magnitude of the force with the help of a unit. So this unit is Newton and we denote it by symbol N. So now a question arises, how can we define Newton? So let's see. Newton is the amount of force required to accelerate 1 kg of material at 1 meter per second square in the direction of force. I am repeating again. Newton is the amount of force required to accelerate 1 kg of material at 1 meter per second square in the direction of force. Okay. So this all is for today. Stay tuned. Hit the bell icon if you like the video, and also share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.